Brookwell yn Phoebe McAllister, cael ei faglu, na, dim o gwbl. Cyfle fallai wrth ymosod i y dre newydd, Sheridan. I Rushton mewn camu, heibio Joe Williams, Rushton, heibio Ramsey. A syth at y golwr, a cyfle raidd i dîm Chris Hughes. Williams ar gig gornel. Teg at Sheridan, mae'n cael ei ffyn allan gan Craig. Thorne yn ffigio fyny nôl i McAllister. Lledyr chwarae to Kevin i Craig. Mae Craig Williams a gyfle mae dre newydd ffyrnu nôl teg at Mills Evans. A mae Sam Barnes gath y cyffyrddiad ola. Wedi rhoi'r dre newydd ar y blaen. O'na 3 nhw'n disgwyl ar y postyn pella. A mae Sam Barnes wedi rwyddo i gol gyntaf o'r tymor. 12 munud o'r gêm di chwarae ac yn eiddiannol. Mae'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Blair gan Gareth Edwards, gyfle wrth ymosod i'r dre newydd. Sheridan, opsiwn i'r chwith ac i'r dde. Mae'n disgyn ôl yn garedig i Sheridan. Cael ei dynnu nôl. Mae'n codi'r bêl yn gelfydd dros ben Alex Ramsey. Unwaith eto amddiffyn Gaernarfon ar chwal. A mae Ian Sheridan ar ôl hanner awr wedi dyblu mantais yr Rufiniaid. Flint, Sheridan, allan i'r dde. A mae Rushton a Flint yn rhythro mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Rushton. Joe Williams yn esmonach am eithaf, mae Rushton yn rhwydo'r drydydd gol i dîm Chris Hughes. A'r triffwynt a chi ddeud yn ddiogel. Unwaith eto camgymeriad yn amddiffyn Gaernarfon. Pedwerydd o'r tymor i Rushton. Nathan Craig ar gig gornel teg at Kai Jones. Mae'n disgyn y rhydd i Smith a mae gefn yr hwyd. Llygedyn o baith i'r cofis. Y tro ma amddiffyn y dre newydd oedd ar chwal. Dwi'n sicr ta Kai Jones ta Leo Smith gawd y cyffyrddiad ola. Mae'r gêm dal yn fyw i Gaernarfon. Jones. Tu mewn i Brookwell, yn dweud Bas Flair, Thorne yn rhyddhau. Nick Rushton, a mae Rushton. Un neb yn un, Ramsey gath y gorau so dwytha. A mae'n cael y gorau am yr eildro heno. O'r frwydr, mae dal ar Rushton, Sheridan. Bydd ar ôl wneud y well na tackle wych gan Smith. Ond efalla bod wedi oedi chydig bach gormod. Yn wneud amser i Ramsey setlo. Nath y gol fyrw'n wych.
Great performance really. From start to finish I thought we were convincing winners. I thought everything about us was how it should be where we're at. Look, I think I said it last week, so we've got a lot of new players in the team and we just need that time to gel and I think slowly but surely we're seeing little signs. But it was a massive step forwards after the last couple of performances, so look, really pleased. I thought we showed an attacking intent, we were clinical when we took our chances, we could have scored 3 or 4 more.
Full credit to Newtown. I thought over the 90 minutes they thoroughly deserved it, but did we test them in key areas? Probably not. They've taken their chances when they come about as well. Are they from our mistakes? Yes, but it's this league. They've got the quality to punish you, and yeah, it's going to be a painful 2 weeks now because we've got a little bit of a break. But I've just said to him in there, we need to dissect this game. We'll be open and honest, and yeah, we've got to move on. Ready for you guys to come for the Cardiff Met game at the end of the month.